In the rest of life, sometimes the answer lies in what's on top of you. Bedding, people. I'm talking about bedding. Excuse me, Alanna.
Oh.
Yeah, we're going to do this.
Tracy?
Sleep expert Alanna McGinn is helping us peel back the layers that will help us sleep better. There's nothing more important than sleep. So please help us, explain to us how blankets play a role in this whole sleep process.
So as we get closer to the evening, our circadian rhythm, this is our natural sleep driver, this drives our sleep, it starts to force a drop in our core body temperature. And that happens throughout the night. So our body gets cooler and cooler. So if we don't have a blanket on, we're gonna get too cold and we're gonna wake up. So we wanna keep the blanket on to keep us somewhat warm, so our body can be busy on working on sleeping well and not busy on regulating our temperature.
Midlife women, yes, there's menopause. Yes, there's perimenopause. I love all the conversations that we're having about it. You know, I'm in that stage of life right now, and those conversations are really important. But midlife, there is so many more transitions other than just menopause, right? We are transitioning careers. We are transitioning relationships. Kids are moving out. Kids are moving back in. Parents are getting older. Caregiving, all of those things is going to affect our sleep. Spending more money, different economy, but we have to look at the science behind it, which is the time that's
Head on your shoulders, but I do think if she feels uncomfortable about something or feels like
this is going to help them sleep better, right? And there's always two things we want to focus on. How safe the sleep environment and time change. You know, studies have shown we see an increase in car accidents, increase in heart attacks, increase